Hi guys, today we are going to learn a various concept in math called trigonometry. So this is the first part of trigonometry, part 1. So today's objectives. Who? Okay, so these are the 5 things that we are going to learn in trigonometry. Who invented trig? This is the first concept. Uses of trig. Trig functions or 6 brothers. 6 brothers. Derivation. Tricks. And lastly, you know what? Question answers. So we are going to go through all of the 6 concepts in one video. Let us start. Who invented trigonometry? A guy named Hipparchus. Hipparchus invented trigonometry. He invented the root trigonometry. Root trigonometry, the first type of trigonometry. That was started in 140 BC. Then he was a Greek. Then Greeks sent this information to Indians, and then it went to the Arabs. So these were the 3 things where trigonometry was modified. Uses. It can be used for engineering, navigation, etc. Navigation, etc. Yeah. Then, now first we're going to learn the basic concepts, which is very, very important for trigonometry. Can anybody guess what is this? Yes, it is an angle. Now, the union of 2 rays, the union of 2 rays is called angle. The union of 2 rays is called angle. There are 2 parts in an angle: initial and terminal. Initial means start. Initial means start and terminal means stop. Like in a stopwatch, you start from the 12 and you end in 5. This is the start, this is the stop. This is the initial, this is the terminal. The same thing works for angles. I take an angle and put one line near it, a straight line. It makes a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. But why do we include triangles in trigonometry? Let me explain. Trig Trigonometry. Trigonon. Trigonon. Trigonon means triangle. Metric. Metric means measurement. Measurement. So trigonometry in a full part is called triangle measurement. Various methods of measuring a triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Yeah. Now I will name an angle called theta. What is theta? Theta is nor variable. It is not a variable, but theta angle. It's an angle. It's an angle. I know theta. If I give an example, theta is equal to 45 degrees. It is like a mock variable. It is a mock variable. It acts as a variable, but it has an angle measurement. You can see degrees. We cannot say theta degrees is wrong. You should not say theta degrees. If you say theta degrees, it would mean wrong. Now, I am going to draw 3 right angle triangles. How many sides do you think are there on a right angle triangle? Correct. 3 sides. Now, there are totally 3 angles. Theta, the 90 degrees, and an unknown angle. This can be any angle like alpha, beta. Alpha, beta you may learn in 10th standard chapter 2 CBSE maths. Now, here the longest side. Have you ever heard that in an isosceles triangle, the largest angle points to the largest side, and the shortest angle points to the shortest side? Have you ever heard this trick? So, 90-degree angle is the biggest angle present in the trigonometric ratio. So, we can say the hypotenuse. This is called a hypotenuse. We are denoting it as H or capital H or HYP. It is the longest side because it has the longest angle measurement, 90. Now, what is the down angle called? Now, what is the down side called? We don't know. The side adjacent to theta is called adjacent, denoted by A or capital A or ADJ. Then, it is the same. Theta angle is opposite to a side. That side is called opposite, denoted by small o, big O, or OPP. Yeah. So we learned 3 functions, mainly HAO. Now, I am taking HAO. Now we'll come to the 6 brothers or 6 trig functions. So what is the 6 trig functions? I call it 6 brothers. So what is the 6 brothers? Brother. The 6 brothers have only one mother, which is right angle triangle. Only one mother, which is the right angle triangle. I can make 6 types of division with just 3 variables. How? O by H, A by H, O by A by O, H by A, H by O. 6 functions in total. So, all these 6 functions have a name. Let's put these to their reciprocals. O by H, A by H, O by A. What is a reciprocal? H by O, H by A by O. So these are the reciprocals. So these have their own unique names. O by H is called sine. Then A by H called cosine, or cos as a short form. O by A is as tangent, denoted tan. H by O is the reciprocal of sine. So we can write this as 1 by sine. This is called cosecant or cosec. Both are correct. Then H by A can be denoted as 1 by cos. This is called sec or secant. Have you heard secant of the circle, tangent of the circle? Yes, it's the same thing. Now, 1 by tan, cotangent. Now, these are the 6 trigonometric functions present in one right angle triangle. Let's write the names again. Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cotangent. 6 functions. If you can't see cotangent, I will write it here. Now, these are the 6 functions present in one right angle triangle. Now, with these 6 trigonometric functions, we are going to derive formulas. Now, we know that sine is O by H, cos is A by H, and tan is O by A. How to remember which does where go? So ka twa function is used. So ka twa function. What is a SOHCAHTOA function here is sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tangent is equal to opposite by adjacent. The SOHCAHTOA function. Now, we know sine by cos is equal to tan. How? How is it possible? Sine is O by H, cos is A by H, H gets cancelled to get O by A, which is tan theta. Then we learned that 1 by tan theta is equal to cotangent theta. So it is cotangent theta. So cos by sine is cotangent theta. Now, when we get sine by cos is equal to tan, we can convert this equation as sine into 1 by cos. It is a math. Then sine into sec. Then I can convert this function as like 1 by cosecant into secant. I can get sec by cosec. Then just guess what is cotangent value? Yes, cosecant by secant. Correct. It's good. Correct. We're going to learn about reciprocals. Sine into cosec is equal to 1. Cos into sec is 1. Tan into cot is 1. Example. Now, cosec. If I take cosec, what it will have? Cos and sec. So, cos reciprocal is sec and sec reciprocal is cos. Remember like this. If I multiply two reciprocals, I get 1. Then tan and cot. Tan is a good boy, where cot is a bad boy. So when when bad boy and good boy get mixed, they became neutral. Then what are the two remaining functions? Sine and cos. I mean sine and cosecant. Then when cosecant and sine be together, sine reciprocal is cosecant and cosecant reciprocal is sine. So these are the basic functions. And I explained, while doing this, I explained the tricks like Sokatwa. How to remember reciprocals. I know these are not important, but it will come. Okay. So thank you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. In the next video, we are going to learn the question answers of the part 1 answer. Thank you.